Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will present about my poster titled Sound Contact BTS Spring Day. So this poster explains our historical background, cultural influences and why the song means so much to people, especially in South Korea. So this poster basically explains about the background story of Spring Day by BTS. So let's move on to introduction. Okay, let's move on to introduction. So Spring Day was released in February 2017 and became one of the most emotional and symbolic songs in K-pop. Many listeners describe it as a song that feels like a warm hug during tough time. So let's move on to the historical context. Next, the historical context. So the release of Spring Day happened during a period when South Korea was experiencing national grief and a political tension. Even though the song never directly mentioned any event, many Koreans associated with the 2014 Sahril tragedy, where many high school lost their lives. So this tragedy left a deep emotional scar, and Spring Day became a gentle reminder of mourning, remembrance, and quick healing. So let's move on to culture and social influence. Next, let's move on to cultural and social influence. Culturally, Spring Day represents loss, healing, and hope, shown through the idea of winter turning into spring. The song reflects struggle like loneliness, pressure, and emotional silence that many Koreans experience. Because of this, it became known as a Korean national comfort song, often used in time of grief and a collective healing. So next, why this song touched million hearts? So Spring Day touched so many people for several reasons. First, it expressed people's feeling. First, get to talk about like loss, guilt, and longing. Second, it offered hope after a long emotional winter. And lastly, listener connected personally because the song reminded them of people or moments they missed. And although BTS never confirmed any meaning, many still link the song to the Sahril tragedy, making the song even more emotional. So, after learning the history and the deeper meaning of Spring Day, I don't listen to the same way anymore. Before this, I just thought it was a beautiful and a sad song. But now, when I listen to it, I feel more aware of pain and healing that people went through. The lyrics feel heavier, the melody feels more emotional, and I appreciate the song on a deeper level because I understand the story and the feeling behind it. It made me listen with more empathy and care. That's all for me. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.